Airport.
Free advice from random people.
We don't want to see you distressed anymore. Pretty girl you are. Look pretty in films. And make us laugh.
Cute.
And I'm like, yeah, I will hopefully next time.
Cute.
What's your Utapadam? Utapadam in Telugu means a word that you often use.
Lovely.
Really?
Yeah, I use lovely a lot. I use buddy a lot.
In Hindi?
Huh?
In Hindi?
In Hindi.
Or Punjabi?
Hindi I use Kamal.
Acha.
Arey Kamal.
Or
That I use. Punjabi I don't know, yaar. Punjabi I don't know what I use.
Now that you're in Hyderabad, maybe you should use more super.
Super also I use a lot.
Then you're.
Hey, damn, super man. This is so like my messages and all have like super. So also that's very Telugu or what?
Yeah.
Super.
Yeah, super. Yours?
Ayyo.
4 hours only.
Ayyo or Abba or Amma. Always these 3 words.
And now that you're actors and someone comes and says anything, are you at a stage where you know if he's just lying or making it up, or is he honest?
About anything?
About anything that they say.
Yeah, I mean I've been like that since I was a child. I'm very perceptive. So I can
See through them.
mostly, yeah, like 99% of the times I can
See through people's
people
shit?
easily. I can without knowing and talking, I can even sense what the person is going through.
Nice.
So I've been very perceptive that way. So it's easy for me
So
to
one has to be
sense.
careful with you.
But I don't like butt into people. I don't go like, nahi, but tu jhoot bol raha hai. No, it's your choice.
Yeah.
If you want to not be honest, that's fine. I don't butt into it.
Yours, Janhvi?
Oh, I'm very non-perceptive. Like people can be making a fool out of myself and I'll still be like, yeah, come sit with me, do it more. But what was the question? What is my
Can
one?
you see through people when they
No.
lie?
No, I can't.
Okay.
I really can't. I think I used to call it optimism, but like now I think it might borderline on ignorance and stupidity. I think to a point of fault, I like seeing the better in people always.
But that's good. That's always good.
So in
Yep.
the same
That's always the
context, tell me if there's one quality that you look for in people, in new people that you meet.
A good sense of humor for me.
Yeah, sense of humor though is there only, but I look for honesty, man. Like that's always a deal breaker for me. I don't like dishonest. I hate dishonesty, and not dishonesty in the sense everybody is dishonest to a certain degree. So I don't mean that. But ek hota hai, what is your intention? You know,
Niyat
so
kya hai?
niyat kya hai
Yeah.
tumhari? So that matters a lot.
Yeah.
And yours is sense of humor.
I mean, now I want to change it because he said something so deep and intense.
No, it's
and I'm
not
like,
deep.
haha, make me laugh.
It's like you can make me laugh, but if your niyat is not right, then what good is you making me laugh? Then I'd rather not.
You can laugh at a few. No one's asking you to become their best friend. Like,
Okay,
laugh
fine.
and bounce.
No, sense of humor always trumps, yaar. I mean,
Yeah.
who doesn't want to laugh?
Like for me, it's like one should always laugh and laugh more at my jokes. So
That's
it.
good. Yes, I am.
And is there anything that you want to redo or undo if you can go back in the past?
No.
No,
I'm sure there must be something.
no,
No.
Wow, that's very confident.
no.
Like, okay. Or what's the present dream? Actually, it was forever dream, but what's the present dream right now? Dream, professional dream, I'm saying.
I don't know, yaar. What's my professional dream right now?
I'm sure you'll have many.
Is it to work with a director or to...
Yeah,
To
the
do
thing is that I'm very day-to-day kind of a person to a fault. Like I'm not preaching and saying live in the moment, but I do not think.
He takes it as it comes.
I genuinely take it as it comes. So there are aspirations and dreams like, oh, I want to entertain a lot of people and I want to see myself on Times Square for some reason. And
Really?
Just like, you know, वो
The
सब तो
film
है.
poster on in the
हाँ,
Times
like
Square.
वो सब तो है, but those are like, you know, that caters to your vanity. That caters to more than anything else. So otherwise, I don't know, yeah.
And yours, Janhvi? Present dream.
Present dream, I
Professional,
think.
yeah.
Well, I think I really want to do a Telugu film. I really want to do a period film, and I really want to do a comedy film.
What if you do a Telugu film which is period and comedy?
No, but if it's period, I don't think it should be comedy.
Why?
No, I don't like.
Okay.
No,
So I wish that it's a Telugu film. She'll do 2 films which are
one comedy and one period.
Done.
Okay.
Done. And what's your driving force every morning when you wake up? If there is work or if there is no work?
Very, very simple answer, coffee. I love coffee. I wake up because I want to have coffee.
That's psychotic.
No, it's not.
Thought-driven. Coffee is fine. Yeah.
अच्छा वैसे बोल रहे हैं
drives
थोड़ा
you
deeper answer
mentally,
चाहिए
yeah.
Oh,
You know, I've
deeper.
never not seen him with a cup of coffee in his hand, ever.
Really?
Love coffee.
Yeah.
I love coffee.
You're in the land of chai.
Yeah, but I love coffee.
Okay, fine. We'll give it.
Sorry,
What's
but
your
a deeper meaning, a deeper answer you want, na? What's my driving force? See, I'm so bad at these answers.
Okay, fine. we don't.
We'll stick to coffee.
Yeah,
Yeah, please, can you answer this?
Uh,
Maybe I'll get some cues from it.
Driving force to make my parents proud,
I'm sure that you are. That you already did.
but more proud.
Okay.
Yeah, me too.
Just stick to coffee.
Is there a secret work talent? That's like a very secret. You don't tell others. Like your work process.
I can cry on cue.
Really?
Oh yeah,
I
I saw
knew,
that in one
man.
interview.